Muli kaming nagbabalik dito sa Pesos and Cents, ang gabay sa pag-unlad ng inyong buhay pinansyal. Kanina, nakausap natin si Brother Bo Sanchez at tinilakay natin ang ilang mga bagay ukol sa stock market. Ngayon naman, may makakasama tayong isang grupo na maaring maging susi natin sa pag-unlad ng ating mga investments sa stock market. Kung gusto nyong mag-invest sa stock market, kakailanganin nyo ng tulong ng isang stock brokerage company para bumili at magbenta ng shares on your behalf. Ang citiseconline.com ang pinakamalaki at pinakatanyag na online stock brokerage company sa Pilipinas ngayon. Layunin ng citiseconline.com na maging gabay sa maingat na pag-i-invest sa stock market. Pero higit pa dito, ang citiseconline.com ay internet-based. With just a few clicks, you can buy, sell, and monitor your shares, all from their website. Nandun na rin ang lahat ng stock recommendations, information, at articles na kakailanganin mo to stay updated. Kung dati ay kailangan mo pang tumawag sa broker mo para mag-trade, ngayon you can do it basta may internet connection ka. Never has investing in the stock market been so easy and convenient. And for those of us who want to give it a try, citiseconline.com is the best place to start. Kasama natin ngayon si Miss Eleanor Teo, the marketing manager of citiseconline.com, and she will describe to us how you actually go about opening an account with citiseconline.com. So, good morning, Eleanor, and thank you for joining us today.
Thank you so much for having me.
Okay, so let's say I've seen the show, I've heard Brother Bo talk, and I would like also to open an account with Citisec Online.
Well, simple lang naman talaga mag-open ng account kasama namin sa COL. We try to make it as simple as possible, and it's easy for anybody to be able to do it. And we do so just by following 4 really basic steps. So the first is that we ask you to choose which of the 3 accounts you want to open. So the first account that we have is a very basic account. It's a COL regular account, and the minimum initial deposit is 25,000. This is normally for people who have the ability to kind of trade a little bit more. Then the second one that we have is the COL Easy Investment Program. As you mentioned before, we talked a little bit about cost averaging, and this is basically the kind of account that we do provide for those who have this investment strategy in mind. So the minimum is very small. It's only 5,000, one of the lowest in the industry. Once you open this account, we give you a walkthrough on how to start with an EIP system. We give you a schedule, we give you reminders, and this allows you to really monitor your portfolio a lot more. The third and the last is really the COL corporate account. Of course, there are companies out there who have investment arms, and what they want to do is they kind of want to take the revenues that their company makes
and invest it in the market.
Exactly.
But I guess by the term itself, para na yung sa mga corporation, ano ngayon yung susunod? What do you have to submit or what do you have to fill up in order to get the process started?
Well, simple lang naman yung mga basic requirements na hinihingi namin sa mga customers. It's very similar to just opening a bank account. So, the very basic one is the customer account information form. Ito naman mga basic information lang naman hinihingi namin doon sa mga kliyente. So, yung mga pangalan, address, saan sila nakatira, just the information that we need so that we can submit it to the SEC.
Ano yung susunod pagkatapos niya?
Well, basic lang, we need the online securities trading agreement to be signed. It's like a contract between the broker and the customer. Para lang alam nila yung mga rules and regulations na SEC in terms of anong pwede namin gawin with their money or anong pwede nilang i-expect sa amin.
Okay.
And we also need, of course, 2 completed signature cards, which is standard, just so that nobody else can
Again,
forge your
parang
signature.
sa bangko din, yung mga signature card na gano'n.
Yes, ganun lang kasimple yun. And then we need a photocopy or scanned copy of any government-issued valid ID, of course. Very similar, just a driver's license, passport, SSS ID, senior citizen ID, or voter's ID. That's more than enough. And we also need a billing statement. So the billing statement basically just lets us know that you have a presence here in the country.
Kumbaga, may address ka. So,
Yes.
I guess ang kailangan lumabas dyan is, I guess, your name and address na gagamitin mo din dun
Yes.
sa
Kailangan
account mo. So, hindi
nagmamatch siya.
pwedeng sabihin natin na nagre-rent ka, iba yung lumalabas na pangalan dun sa
Exactly.
bill, tapos pangalan mo yung account, yun na ginagamit mo.
Or
You can't use that
iba yung
one.
sinasabi mo na address sa
Okay.
isang place. Dito ka nakatira pero yung billing statement mo nagsasabi dito. So
Sige.
we need to make sure nakamatch yan talaga.
Can I do this from abroad or do I have to physically go to your office? Where is your office
you
first
don't.
of all?
Our office is basically here at the PSC Center. So it's at 2403B East Tower, Philippine Stock Exchange Center, Exchange Road, Ortiga Center, Pasig City.
Okay.
And it's our COL Business Center, and you can have forms sent there. You can do it through LBC. You can have a messenger bring it over to us. You can call us. and we can try to have a messenger pick it up
Okay.
wherever you are.
So, of course, I guess, based on this, yung last is, syempre, yung pera na lang.
Pera na lang
So,
talaga.
paano namin pwedeng ipadala sa inyo yon?
Well, we try to make it as easy for our customers as possible. Basically, we'll send you your username and password. Once you have that username, all you need to do now is that you can actually do your funding through online banking. Tatlo kasi yung partner banks talaga namin. We have BPI, BDO, and Metro Bank. So you can do it online. They have the online facilities for you to do it. Or you can deposit directly over the counter. And then all you have to do is that make sure that everything is under merchant payment. And
Okay.
then CitySec Online, you'll find it there.
Okay, so that's money going in. How do they get their money back?
Hindi na naman ganun kahirap. Basically, if you have stock shares, for example, all you have to do is you have to liquidate or just sell the shares.
Benta lang nila.
Yes, benta lang. Tapos mapupunta yung pera ng kung kumita sila. Sana kumita sila. Nilalagay lang naman nila dun sa cash balance nila. And then after 3 days from the day that they sell the stock shares, magpa-print out lang sila ng form galing sa website namin. They just have to fill it out with the bank number that has to match the one on their customer account information
Okay.
form. As long as those two match, we can deposit the cash directly into their accounts.
So, pwede din nilang kunin nilang yung cheque sa office
Pwede,
niyo.
pwede.
Mukha naman talagang simple yung proseso para magbukas ng account dito sa cityseconline.com. Ngayon, kung meron pa kayong mga tanong or questions or concerns doon sa process kung paano ginagawa ito, pwede kayong pumunta sa cityseconline.com website, and of course, pwede rin kayong pumunta sa office nila mismo, doon sa address na sinabi nila, at doon pwede kayong magtanong. And syempre, kung kayo ay nasa abroad at hindi nyo magagawa yon, send us word dito sa aming Twitter or Facebook pages at kami ang magtatanong para sa inyo. So hanggang dito na lang. Until next week, this has been Ayla Raya. Safe investing, everyone.
Iisa-isahin pa natin ang iba't ibang investment products na pwede niyong pasukin sa mga susunod nating episodes. Samantala, magbabalik agad ang Pesos and Cents.